pine tree and rainbow. Actually, there are a lot of pine trees, though. There's kind of 8 or more trees in it on this side of the farm, and there's 3 more across. But right now, I just want to view this beautiful and spectacular rainbow. Wow, what a spectacle. Much is all right with the canopies. See that dead tree there with its branching dead twigs, and there's a blushy mango tree there, and on top of that is the beautiful colored rainbow. Oh, this is one of the beautiful things that you can see in a farm, especially at this time. Right now it's kind of 4 o'clock. That's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and nature is just so astounding. It's full of surprises, you know. It kind of rained this morning and kind of drizzled a little bit. It's like 15 minutes ago, but now look at this. Isn't it astounding? Beautiful, priceless. Can nowhere see this. Most of the time it only happens on a farm. That's why I encourage you guys to get a land, stay on a farm, grow some veggies, fruit trees if you can, or raise some livestock. But for me, what suits me best is to raise goats. Right now I just have like 21 goats. I'm planning to raise more of them if I have more budget. Now I'm just happy to stay on this, although I'm renting this farm. That makes me happy though. The best thing that ever happened, I love farming rather than staying on my previous job. It's kind of suck. Now I feel staying on a farm is a far more therapeutic, far more rewarding than staying on a job that kind of, I can't describe it, kind of that you don't fit in much any longer. Sometimes some jobs, the more you stay, the longer you stay. Look at these tall pine trees. Kind of diverting now. What I'm trying to say is that I stopped doing my previous job and stayed on this beautiful farm. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the bell button, the notification button, and if you like this video, if you want to share it, you can do so. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for more. Bye now.